discuss why we are pulling back down for Beyond Meat before Christmas, and see if Santa will come early and save Beyond Meat before the end of this year. We're going to discuss one level to confirm if we have Santa or we have whale will buy discounted price for Beyond Meat, for my opinion, because right now it's 4%. Yesterday we pulled back 3%. So we're going to discuss the price action for the end of this year, before the end of this year, because we got only totally 1 week left before the end of this year for this 2025. So before we go further, guys, remember our content here for educational purposes only. So let me just show you what's going on here with Beyond Meat. We've got an interesting breakout lately that happened on Friday, last Friday, guys. We got a really good buying pressure from the $1.03 until the 124. However, we got a major seller added their position around the $1.33 here, and the price didn't continue and pulled back very quick on Friday and continued to go down on Monday a little bit, and today more. So what's we gonna do right now? First of all, we have two level left for Beyond Meat to reverse from before the end of this year. The first one is pretty near that we might test pretty soon, which is the 94. For my opinion, if we held here, would be the best case scenario for Beyond Meat to reverse. And the second one is the 80, and this is will be the buying pressure, or the second place where the whale might add their position in order for snatch discounted price for Beyond Meat. Because guys, there's always a seller from above and a buyer from below. And this is how the market works. It's really simple if you think about it. The seller betting that the price will go down, and the buyers, the whales, betting that the price will go up in one condition, which is that today or this dip has been discounted, or it's like make the price pretty cheap or discounted for the investors. So I'm not talking about just the whale, but I'm talking about even investors, traders like you and me, seeing opportunity for a discount and jumping in to buy for a chance for a reversal and make money on this trade. So we have two levels to confirm this reversal, and once we test this level, guys, we need a huge buying pressure like this candle. Once we test the 94 or the 80 and jump really quick. Let me just show you how much we should jump next time, at least 16%, and the best case scenario is 40%. So let's say 20%, the last, not the strong scenario, but the squeeze zone, it should be reversal of 40% once we test the 94. 40%, 20% until at least the $1.11 or $1.13. This would be the likely scenario, but the unlikely scenario, or the scenario that we should have a major news and major whale buying, is testing 94 and go toward the 133 in one go or one day, which will give us 40% reversal, and the best case scenario is 80% reversal, nearly around the $2. So let me know, guys, in the comment section below. Are we gonna have a reversal like what happened before here on the November? We might have it at the end of December, because the last jump that happened, it was at the end of November. So we might have the same reaction, or the same whale who bought Beyond Meat at the end of November last month. We might have it coming in, adding the position again at the end of December. Let's see what's gonna happen, because the end of this year is pretty near, and tomorrow the market will be half closed, so the volatility will drop. Maybe we see this by the next week on Monday, because next week we have just 2 days, on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday maybe will be the New Year's Eve. So yeah, we have just few days left in total, less even than 1 week, to have this reaction before the end of this year.